So we see this in the wise men. We see it in the story with the shepherds. We actually did a little bit of this morning ourselves. When we worship, we rejoice. When we worship, we rejoice. Praise lifts our thoughts and our hearts up to God, whose plan for joy is the salvation of my soul and cosmos-wide renewal. G.K. Chesterton has often been called the apostle of joy. It's a really unique writing style, and it's just shot through with joy. He's a Christian. And in one of his books, Orthodoxy, he simply says this: praise should be the permanent pulsation of the soul. Pessimism is at best an emotional half-holiday. Joy is the uproarious labor by which all things live. Praise should be the permanent pulsation of the soul. And they saw the child and they worshiped him.